Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Italian salad dressing. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need a good quality extra virgin olive oil, which forms the base and provides a rich flavor. Next, select your vinegar. Red wine vinegar or white wine vinegar both work wonderfully to add that characteristic tang. Finally, have your dried herbs and spices ready, as these will infuse the dressing with its signature Italian taste. This simple combination creates a delicious foundation. Now, let's talk about the herbs and spices that bring this dressing to life. A classic blend includes dried oregano, basil, and thyme, which provide that authentic Italian aroma. For a deeper, more savory profile, incorporate garlic powder and onion powder. If you enjoy a little warmth, a small pinch of red pepper flakes will add a subtle kick without overpowering the other flavors. Remember, these dried herbs are potent, so start with about 1/2 teaspoon of each. Once you have all your ingredients, it's time to mix them together. You can use a bowl with a whisk or a jar with a tight-fitting lid. If using a bowl, combine the vinegar, herbs, and spices first. Then, slowly drizzle in the extra virgin olive oil while continuously whisking. This gradual addition helps to emulsify the dressing, creating a smooth and uniform consistency. If using a jar, simply add all ingredients, secure the lid, and shake vigorously for about 30 seconds. After mixing, your homemade Italian dressing is ready to enjoy. For best results, let it sit for at least 30 minutes to allow the flavors to meld. Store any leftover dressing in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 1 week. Give it a good shake before each use, as the oil and vinegar may separate. This dressing is perfect for salads, marinades, or even as a dip. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.